How can you safely switch from dark to light hair without damaging it? The process should be done gradually to maintain hair health and avoid excessive damage. Consult a professional stylist who can assess your hair's condition and recommend the safest lightening approach. Expect to lift the color in multiple sessions, especially if your hair is dyed dark, to prevent breakage. Using bond repair treatments like Olaplex or K18 before and after each session helps strengthen hair. Deep conditioning masks once or twice a week keep hair moisturized and resilient during the transition. Avoid box bleach or DIY color removers, as they can cause uneven lightening and extreme dryness. Opt for professional toners and gloss treatments to correct brassiness and maintain a natural tone. Use sulfate-free, color-safe shampoo to preserve your new lighter shade and minimize fading. Limit heat styling and chemical treatments, as lightened hair is more prone to dryness and damage. Trim split ends regularly to prevent further breakage and keep your hair looking healthy. Maintain a hydrating and protein-rich hair care routine to support your hair's strength and elasticity. Patience is key. Rushing the process can lead to overprocessing, breakage, and unwanted color results.